friends, welcome back to our channel.
Hi Haran.
Hi.
First one is find and write the beginning letter. If you find fruit, then write letter F. If it is veggie, write letter V. Okay?
I found fruit. Blueberries. Blueberries are fruit. So they start with F. Blueberries are my favorite fruit. Apples. Apples are my favorite fruit too. And they even start with F. And raspberries and blackberries are fruits too. So they even start with F. Grapes. Grapes are my favorite fruit. So they start with F. Peppers. And they start with V. Onions. They start with V too. They're veggies. Tomato and carrots are veggies. So they start with V. And green beans. So they start with V. Beans are veggies too.
The second activity is count the fruits and write the number. Okay?
There are one orange. So there are one. One orange. Here, 6 mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there are 6. There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 peppers. 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. There, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tomatoes. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oranges. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cucumbers. Thank you for watching and stay happy and rise up. Bye.